Hey guys, right here I have the R306 Pro Mode wireless mouse, and this thing is really awesome. So you can tell how sleek and slim this whole unit is. It fits in the hand perfectly. It's got a really ergonomic, slim fit design, and what I like about this is this actually holds its charge up to 30 days without charging. And then whenever you do have to charge this, all you have to do is plug in the Type-C port adapter that they give you in the kit, and it's charged in 1.5 hours. So check this out, guys. We have a silent roll right here, which usually this has a little bit of clicking to it. This is completely silent, so that's something that's new. And then also with these, very, very quiet. I can't hear anything at all. And this honestly just feels amazing to the finger. It's like, just feels good to do that. It's just really pleasing. So this is definitely a wireless mouse that I could use every single day just because it feels very comfortable. Now, a couple things that I want to note about this mouse. We have a simple on-off switch, and you can actually connect this with a USB, and then you can also do Bluetooth, and you can do dual Bluetooth on this as well. So you can cycle between 2 different modes. Right on the bottom, I like this. I haven't seen a company do this before. You can see me swivel this. It's like they just have a bunch of cool tech, but this has magnets on the inside. So the USB is inside, and all you gotta do is just plop the magnet on. Really nice and easy, quick to take out. You can just throw that right back on. Just satisfying to put that on. So to connect this to my MacBook Pro, all I gotta do is just put this adapter USB into my actual adapter, plug it right into the side of my computer, and then turn it on, and we are ready to go. So you can see how nice this speed is, but this is very smooth. It glides over my mouse pad perfectly, very nice, fits in the hand, absolutely amazing, and the clicks just feel really good. So overall, I recommend this if you're looking for an ergonomic, slim design, very quiet, and just pleasing to the touch, can cycle through different modes. This is definitely the one that I recommend. Go and check it out for yourself, the R306 Pro. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.